Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a food that's been around for thousands of years, but is just now getting the global spotlight it deserves. I'm talking about millets. You might have heard the buzz, but what exactly are they, and why is everyone suddenly so excited about them? Well, millets are a group of small-seeded grasses, and they're not just one thing. There's a whole family of them, like foxtail, pearl, and finger millet, just to name a few. These aren't some newfangled health trend. They are ancient grains that have been a staple food for civilizations across Africa and Asia for over 7,000 years. They were sustaining communities long before rice and wheat became as dominant as they are today. So, why the big comeback? It turns out, our ancestors were really onto something special. First off, let's talk nutrition. Millets are absolute powerhouses. They're naturally gluten-free, making them a fantastic option for anyone with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. But that's just the start. They are packed with fiber, which is great for your digestion and helps keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer. Plus, they're rich in essential minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and iron, and they boast a higher protein content than many other common grains. This impressive nutritional profile makes them incredible for managing blood sugar levels and supporting overall heart health. But the benefits don't stop at our bodies. Millets are also a win for our planet, and this is a huge reason for their resurgence. In a world facing climate change and water shortages, millets are a farmer's best friend. They are incredibly resilient crops. They can grow in arid, semi-dry conditions with minimal water, and they don't need a lot of fussy fertilizers or pesticides to thrive. Compared to water-guzzling crops like rice or corn, millets are champions of sustainability. They're what we call a climate-smart crop, helping to ensure food security for a growing global population. Now, you might be thinking, that all sounds great, but how do I even cook them? And do they taste good? Absolutely. The versatility of millets is one of their best-kept secrets. You can use them in so many ways. You can cook them whole, just like rice or quinoa, to serve as a fluffy side dish. You can grind them into flour to make delicious gluten-free bread, pancakes, or cookies. I love making a warm, creamy millet porridge for breakfast, topped with some fresh fruit and nuts. You can also pop them like popcorn for a crunchy snack or add them to soups and salads for a boost of texture and nutrition. The flavor is generally mild and slightly nutty, which means they easily absorb the flavors of whatever you cook them with. So, you have this ancient grain that's incredibly nutritious, amazing for the environment, and super versatile in the kitchen. It's no wonder the United Nations declared 2023 the International Year of Millets. It's a movement to bring these forgotten superfoods back to our tables. By choosing millets, you're not just making a healthy choice for yourself. You're supporting sustainable farming practices and contributing to a more diverse and resilient food system for everyone. It's a small change in your pantry that can make a big difference. Next time you're at the grocery store, I challenge you to look for the millet section. Pick up a bag and get creative in the kitchen. You might just discover your new favorite grain. Thanks so much for watching today. You found this video helpful? Please give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss our next video. See you soon.